Okay, so in this video here, we are going to go over how you create that replay or any other contest in World. So one of your objects that you will have is your builder. I believe it's called RA Builder Box. Okay, it's what we call it. Yeah, RA Builder Box here. Um, all you have to do is you bez this from your inventory and you click it. And it tells you here, enter the contest ID to build. The only thing you need to enter here is the name of your contest. And the one we created was RA Core underscore replay underscore fast01. And that's all you have to enter. And you say submit, and it will say that there are multiple layouts available for this contest. Select the layout you want to use. So if you ran a credits only replay, for example, you might want to use this one because it uses a couple less land impact. But the default has both cash and credits. That's one we'll do. So we'll click that one, and then it will say, okay, it needs to link and delink other objects. Is this okay? You have to grant this permission. So you say, okay. And then it tells you beginning build of contest ID RA Core replay fast01. This process will take time, and the number of operations to complete will continually update with the current pending operations. Please wait until the contest is fully built before interacting with it. Okay. Now down here at the bottom here, you see that it tells you executing instruction 13 of 138 is 10% complete. You will get approximately 10 to 13 updates per contest that you are building. So it's not going to flood you with updates, but it is going to let you know the process of how far along it's been building and how it's doing its build process. What it's doing right now is it's actually receiving commands from the server, and the server is telling it how to build this board. What's cool about this is any contest that we choose to create in the future, we will be able to, you will be able to build this by us simply pushing an update to the server, and then your server has the new contest, and then we just send out a notice or tell you in Discord, and we say, hey, this new contest has been released, give it a shot. And you can res your builder box, create the contest in your application, the new contest, and pick that ID, and the builder box will build that contest. It's that simple. So you do not have to receive a new board or a new builder box for every single update. Now, it is possible if we have a contest in the future that maybe is very special or utilizes a few uh, prims or meshes that we don't currently have in the current box, but we really want to do that on a future contest, we may have an updated builder box for you. But we'll make it very simple. You can just come to the store, click it, here's your new builder box, and then you just replace your old one with it. So we're hoping, at least right now, that there will be no circumstance where we'll have to provide any kind of updates to Second Life things, but I think we can all agree that that will probably happen at some point. So anyway, the system that we've devised here will allow any contest, present or future, to be built in the world. And hopefully without ever needing to get a new version of the builder box. So it's very, very convenient. And yeah, very cool. So we're about probably about 80% done here. So we're almost ready to go. And as soon as this thing is done building, you'll get a little notification that says that it's done. You will see the board instantly just start displaying what you're expecting it to see, which is 0 on the left, 500 on the right, and Raven Dragon SLSGC with 500 credits with about 23 hours and 50 minutes or so left on the timer. So let's see what happens, see if that ends up being correct. All right, so look down here at the nearby chat. and you will see the little notification where it will tell you 137, 138, and it's done. So now you see on the board, there's what you expect. 0 on the left, 500 on the right, and Raven Dragon SLSGC with 500 credits. And I can even go and say, well, find me. And it highlights me, and it tells me you are currently not registered in the main ranking of this contest. You must play a qualified game to join the contest because I'm not on the left. You have a credit remaining of 500. 500 of your total credits will expire on February 21st, 2022 at 10:10 p.m. So that is pretty cool. It's basically 24 hours, right? Because it's currently set not to carry credits. So this 23 hours, 50 minutes is how long my credits are going to last. So that's pretty much what the player will interact with. And now you have this built. So in the next video, I'm going to go over how to create another replay contest, but how can we make this fast without having to go through this build process?